Hello everyone, my name is Shiraz and you're watching the Benelli 502C on Real Auto Reviews. And before I get on it and ride and tell you more about it, let me give you a quick walk around. And while I'm at it, let me tell you that although the pillion seat looks useless, you will be pleasantly surprised to know that you can actually sit on it for 25-30 kilometers. In fact, yesterday I sat on it for around 40 kilometers and I thought that I can continue for around 20-25 kilometers more. So yes, you can, your wife, husband, girlfriend, boyfriend can sit on it for around 60-70 kilometers without any worries. And oh, by the way, I think that the foot pegs are adjustable. So right now they are at their closest to the rider setting, okay, or you can say the shortest setting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, they can, so this section will come until here. So I think this would come until here. So yeah, that's a neat touch for what is not a very high-end motorcycle. So let's get on the bike and talk about it more. The first thing that you notice is how wide the handlebar is, and then you'll think that it would create problems in filtering. However, I'm happy to report that you'll get accustomed to it in half an hour or maybe half a day if you are new to motorcycles. And once you adapt, once you get accustomed to it, then you realize how flickable this motorcycle is. I mean, the handling is beautiful, okay? And I'll tell you something, although this is a cruiser, it has the soul of a sport bike, not a super bike, of course, a sport bike. It handles beautifully. So filtering is not a problem. In fact, I'll try to demonstrate it in a while. And the fueling is perfect. The fueling is sublime. The gearbox is precise too, and it has a slipper clutch. In fact, let me show it to you how it works. Did you notice that? Let me show it to you again. I downshifted from 6th to 3rd and it did not throw me off. It works. And of course the clutch pull is light too, because the slipper mechanism, it helps, in fact it allows the manufacturers to use softer springs or even less number of springs. Okay, rear wheel drive fun, nice. In fact, this stretch will tell you how amazing the ride quality of this motorcycle is. I mean, this was the same stretch that I used for the TRK review. A part of it, of course, I just wanted to showcase how great the ride quality of that motorcycle is. But this one exceeded my expectations. I mean, you would not be doing this kind of speed on such a bad road on any cruiser, but this one, not a problem at all, sir. In fact, the ground clearance is pretty decent too. Even with a pillion, it managed to cross all kinds of speed breakers that we have in India, big, small, ugly, all of them, without scraping anything, of course. It does not have traction control, and honestly it does not need it, because like I said, the fueling is perfect, the power delivery is linear, it's gradual, and it's not at all threatening. But you know what, it's not boring either. Told you it's not boring. Now let's talk about vibrations. Well, the vibrations are there. They're definitely there, and in fact, you will notice them if you pay attention from about 40 kilometers per hour. Yes, so like they are omnipresent. However, at no point do they become a hindrance, to you having fun. In fact, you can maintain 130, 140 all day long without feeling numb anywhere. In fact, whatever vibrations you feel them on the foot pegs with almost nothing on the handlebar, and zilch in the tank as well. So yeah, vibrations are a non-issue. Let me show you its braking. Great. Fuel efficiency. Well, in this test of over 300 kilometers, this gave me 22.1 kilometers to a liter. Despite all the high speed testing, acceleration runs, etc. So it would not be a stretch to expect, say, 25 kilometers to a liter. And since this has a 21 liter fuel tank, that translates to over 500 kilometers of touring range, 525 kilometers to be precise, theoretically at least. And the low fuel light should come anywhere between 400 to 450 kilometers. And so yeah, that was my review. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section below, and I will answer each and every one of them. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so, and please do not forget to like this video and share it with like-minded people. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.